Yeah, so how's that? Okay, so there's a tank. I got some little guppies in there swimming, living on mosquitoes and things. The wood at the back, some shade for them. I had to dismantle my big hydro setup because I realized I wasn't going to afford gravel to fill it up. And now I've got a small one looking like this. So you can see what my water level is like and my flow. But I think I can go for less of a flow here. Just a little trickle should be enough. I'm seeing how these hold out. So yeah, I have another space there for another one once I've got some more gravel. And then I've got two of those to add.